Hi guys, today I have this folding wagon. This was sent to us to try out, and we're going to set it up together here with my kids. And the funny thing is it didn't come with any instructions or a manual, so we're just going to go ahead and go with the flow. First time ever setting up a wagon, so I'm going to go ahead and lift it up, open it out as wide as possible. This is a handle which we're obviously going to use to pull it. So it is upside down right now, so we're going to go ahead and add the wheels. The back wheels are the ones with the red stoppers for locking the cart, and the front wheels are different but just as easy to attach. So just make sure you hear a click sound to make sure that they are all secure. So next up, we flip it upright, make sure that it's stable, push in the frame so it stretches out fully. Then we can add the cover bag, which locks right onto the frame, followed by the pad that sits inside. So another important thing is that we have to attach the bottom of the bag to the frame underneath, and this will help fold the cart properly when you're done using it. And that's it. The cart is ready. Honestly, it was really simple to put together, even without instructions. It pushes easily, feels sturdy, and my kids are already excited to ride in it. When you're ready to put it away, just remove the inside pad, pull on the strap, and it folds right down. Then you can wheel it to the storage. Now, overall, I think this is a really good folding cart. Practical, easy to set up, and it's fun for both kids and parents. So if you've been shopping for a wagon, make sure you add this to cart. This will definitely come in handy for carrying groceries into the house, trips to the park with the kids, trips to different kinds of events. It's foldable, so you can travel with it. You can use this for so much more.